Sending bulk emails with System.io is an effective way to reach a larger audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to sending bulk emails. Log into your System.io account. Go to System.io and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the email section. From the dashboard, click on emails in the left-hand menu. Select broadcast to create a new bulk email campaign. Create a new broadcast. Click on create a broadcast. Choose the email list or segment of contacts you want to send your email to. You can send to all contacts, specific tags, or custom segments. Compose your email. Enter the subject line of the email. Use the drag and drop editor to create the email content. You can add text, images, buttons, and links. Customize the email with dynamic content like the recipient's name using custom values. Configure settings. Set the email sender name and reply to address. Choose whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Send or schedule. Once you're satisfied with the email, click send to send it immediately or schedule to set a future time for the broadcast.